So in this video, I want to show you guys how to EQ any sample. Now we're going to be focusing on a piano. Now I got this session here by a group called Black Rose. The name of the song is called Bugatti. I've already mixed this. So what I ended up doing, I stripped all the plugins, removed all the automation, and I'm remixing the song. Now this is just for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just play a clip for you guys.
Yes, my time, I'm a time bomb. In my hood, rip my face wrapped like I'm in a sandstorm. Singing plotting, but I'm changing, I'm about to transform. And my shorty like it better when I leave the lights on. When you die, they use a hologram to watch you do your dance shit.
I do have plugins on here. Some of them are on their default setting, and some of the plugins are compressing, a little bit of EQ. So, it's not completed. There's a lot of work that needs to be done. So what I want to do now, I am going to hold down Control-Shift-G to turn off groups because I want to select individual tracks. If I turn the groups back on, so you can see I can't do that. So any changes that I make, it's going to be a global change. So for example, if I want to delete this, that's not exactly what I need at the moment. So I'm going to shut off groups. And if I want to get rid of something, I can. We're going to be listening to this piano. So let's go ahead and solo that. So let's go ahead and open the EQ. As you can see, I'm doing a lot of cutting and some repair work here. Frequencies that were bothering me. Let's go ahead and listen to this on bypass. So I'm going to go ahead and just take out the high pass. I don't know if you guys hear that. It's really subtle. So let's take that out. In. Really subtle. I'm going to take it in and out of bypass really quick. So I'm not sure if you guys can hear that, but that's definitely removing something there that was bothering me. So let's go ahead and turn on the high pass and let's get rid of this. That you can hear right away. Then you do have some of those annoying frequencies that I can deal with using EQ. Now I do have other plugins here, but we're not focusing on any of that. I just wanted to show you what you could do with some basic EQ. Just cutting, a little bit of repair work, just to kind of remove some of those annoying frequencies. Yes, you can overdo things, but in solo, if it sounds horrible, it doesn't matter. If it sounds great together, that's all that matters.